Hi all, in this video I'm going to share you guys a tutorial to enable tilt sensitivity support on your weak graphic tablet. Lot of the weak graphic tablet which is released does not support tilt sensitivity when it is released. So they fix that issue by releasing an firmware update. So by installing the firmware update, we can enable the tilt sensitivity support on all their graphic tablet. So first head over to the weak website, download section, firmware section, and download the firmware for your preferred graphic tablet. After that, to update the firmware, we need weak software. We don't want to download the weak software which is available on the weak website because on that version we can't update the firmware. So to update the firmware, we need the weak software version 2.0.2.1, which is only available on the Chinese website of the week. So the link will be given in the description. Head over to there and download the week software from the Chinese website. After that, install the week software, and after install there will be a new prompt to install the GD32 MCU DFU driver. Just install that. After there is a tick mark on that prompt, just close that and open the weak software. After opening the weak software, if your graphic tablet is not detected, just replug the graphic tablet. Then after showing the graphic tablet on the weak software, head over to the about section and choose firmware update option, and just wait a little bit and it will open the firmware update prompt. On the new firmware update dialog box, on the DL open app file section, choose open and select the downloaded firmware file. After that, press OK and wait till the process get completed. So after the process is completed, the progress bar will be complete. So after that, choose leave DFU mode option. Then just close the update dialog box and your updated graphic tablet will be detected on the weak software. If you don't press the leave DFU option and just close the firmware update dialog box, then you need to replug the graphic tablet to get the graphic tablet to be detected on the weak software. So that's it. After updating the firmware for a graphic tablet, the tilt support or the tilt sensitivity support will work fine for a graphic tablet. I just tested that and it's working fine. So that's it. That's all about this simple video, guys. Simple way to enable tilt support for your weak graphic tablet.